So guys, ito yung train card dito sa Australia. Tinatawag nilang Opal card. So ganito yung pag-load ng pera or ng currency nila para makasakay ka sa tren. So please tap your Opal card on the reader below. So tap mo lang. Then makikita mo na yung balance mo. And then if you want to charge any amount, just tap this, tap up, and then choose kung magkano yung ilo-load mo. So for example, $20. So press the 20 and then card, debit card. So insert mo lang. So dito save. Please pay 20, insert debit card, and follow the prompts on the key display circle. Debit MasterCard. So after that, insert the card, your debit card, and then, yun, i-type mo na yung PIN number. And then press enter. And then, okay na. Remove. And automatically, approved na siya. So, yung $20 mo, matcha-charge na dito, maki-carry on na dito. Okay? Thank you! So, yun guys, check natin kung na-charge na ba yung $20 dito. So, tap lang natin ulit. Ayan na. $27.70 na ulit. Thank you! Bye-bye!